Hello, beautiful souls. It's your girl Bella back with another fabulous video. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of self-care for women. We'll be exploring everything from nourishing our bodies to honing makeup techniques that highlight our natural beauty. It's all about embracing who we are, loving ourselves, and radiating that confidence outwards. So whether you're a self-care guru or just starting your journey, there's something here for everyone. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and dive in. All right, lovelies, let's kick things off by showing our amazing bodies some well-deserved TLC. Here are my top tips to help you feel radiant inside and out. First things first, hydration. Now, I can't stress this enough. Make water your go-to beverage. It's essential to keep your skin glowing and your body functioning at its best. So, keep that water bottle close by and make sure you're getting those 8 glasses a day. Moving on to nourishing nutrition. Remember, you are what you eat, so let's fuel our bodies with the good stuff. Think colorful fruits and veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrient-rich foods will not only make you feel great, but they'll also give your skin a vibrant, healthy glow. So go ahead and fill your plate with a rainbow of wholesome foods. Next up, exercise and movement. This is all about finding a physical activity that you love and making it a part of your routine. It could be yoga, dancing, or even a brisk walk around the block. Regular exercise increases blood flow, which helps nourish your skin cells and keep them vital. Plus, it's a great mood booster. Remember, a happy mind leads to a happy body. Now let's shift gears and talk skincare. A good skincare routine is like a love letter to your skin. Start with a gentle cleanse to remove any dirt and impurities. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Next, apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and soft. And don't forget, SPF is a must during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. This routine will keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. And lastly, make time for self-care rituals that nourish your soul as well as your body. This could be anything from a relaxing bubble bath to a DIY facial, or even just a few minutes of mindful meditation. These moments of self-care are just as important for your overall well-being as any diet or exercise routine. So, there you have it, my top tips for body care. Remember, taking care of your body isn't just about looking good on the outside, it's about feeling good on the inside too. And when you feel good, you glow from the inside out. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and don't forget SPF during the day to keep those pesky wrinkles at bay. Now let's talk makeup, because who doesn't love a little glam session? Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, these tips will have you looking flawless in no time. First up, let's dive into the world of skin prep. It's all about creating the perfect canvas, darlings. Start with a clean, moisturized face. This is where your skincare routine comes into play. A well-nourished skin is the best foundation for any makeup look. Next, apply a primer to create a smooth base for your makeup. This little magic potion helps to minimize pores, smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, and ensures your makeup stays put all day long. Trust me, it's the secret to a flawless finish. Next, we're embracing the mantra, less is more. Remember, makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. Opt for a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer for that barely there look. The goal is to achieve a natural, radiant complexion that still allows your skin to shine through. And don't forget to blend, blend, blend. A beauty sponge or a foundation brush can be your best friend here. Less is definitely more, darling. Now let's move on to the eyes and brows. They're the windows to your soul, after all. Start by filling in your brows with a pencil or a powder that matches your hair color. This will give your face structure and frame your eyes beautifully. Then it's time to add some color. Opt for a neutral eyeshadow palette for a subtle, classy look. Apply a lighter shade on the inner corners of your eyes to make them pop, and a darker shade on the crease for some depth. Finish off with a coat of mascara for those fluttery, doll-like lashes that'll make heads turn. And finally, let's add the finishing touches. A touch of blush on the apples of your cheeks will give you a healthy, youthful glow. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and remember to blend it out for a natural finish. To add some dimension, apply a bronzer in the hollows of your cheeks, along your hairline and your jawline. This will give you a sun-kissed look and a beautifully sculpted face. And last, but certainly not least, let's talk about lips. Choose a lip color that complements your skin tone and the rest of your makeup. A swipe of your favorite lip color can instantly brighten your face and pull your whole look together. And voila! You're ready to take on the world, babe. With these makeup strategies in your beauty arsenal, you're all set to enhance your natural beauty and let your inner glow shine through. Remember, beauty is not about looking perfect. It's about embracing your uniqueness and feeling confident in your own skin. So go forth, experiment with your look and let your true self shine. because you, my dear, are absolutely stunning just the way you are. And there you have it, lovelies. We've traversed the exciting realm of self-care for women today, covering the essential facets of body care, right from hydration, nourishing nutrition, exercise, and movement to the ever-important skincare ritual. Remember, the glow that comes from treating your body with love and respect is unmatched. So don't forget to sip on that water, eat those colorful fruits and veggies, move your body, and indulge in a skincare routine that's just right for you. We also dipped our toes into the dazzling world of makeup, exploring how to prep your skin, why less is often more, and how to enhance your eyes and brows. And let's not forget those finishing touches that can truly make you sparkle. Makeup is a tool to enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. So feel free to play around and find what works best for you. What's vital to remember is that self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about loving yourself enough to prioritize your well-being. It's about cherishing the skin you're in and celebrating your natural beauty, because each one of you is uniquely beautiful. So my dear friends, I encourage you to embrace these self-care practices. Hydrate, nourish, move, and indulge in a skincare routine that makes you feel like $1,000,000. Play with makeup, highlight your best features, and remember that less is often more. Treat yourself with kindness and respect because you deserve nothing less. As you go about your day and your week, remember to take time out for yourself. You are important, you are worthy, you are beautiful, and it's absolutely okay to put yourself first. And while you're at it, why not spread the love? Share these tips with your girlfriends, your sisters, your mothers, and your daughters. After all, self-care is a journey that's best embarked upon with the ones you love. Finally, remember that self-care isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The important thing is to find what works for you, to find what makes you feel good, and to do more of that. So, lovelies, until we meet again in our next video, remember to love yourself, to take care of yourself, and to shine your light on the world. After all, there's nothing more beautiful than a woman who knows her worth and isn't afraid to show it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous.